Target 6.7, I can classify subtypes. I can identify redox reactions. If it's a redox reaction, it is either synthesis, decomposition, combustion, single replacement. I can identify redox reactions and double replacement reactions. If it's a double replacement reaction, then it's either precipitation, acid-base, or gas producing. We use this flowchart to help us assign subtypes. All chemical reactions that we will be dealing with in this course either fit into, they're either a double replacement reaction or they're oxidation reduction reactions. So it's either double replacement or oxidation reduction. If it's double replacement, it's one of three subtypes: precipitation. In a precipitation reaction, those are the type that you have to use the solubility chart. If one product is insoluble, that means that a solid is produced, therefore a precipitate is produced and a reaction takes place. If both substances are aqueous, no reaction takes place. Another subtype of double replacement is gas producing, where one product is a gas. We talked about the fact that earlier that when one of your products is ammonium hydroxide, when you're predicting products of a double replacement reaction and you find that one of your products is ammonium hydroxide, it doesn't just stay as ammonium hydroxide, it further decomposes into ammonia gas and water. So if ammonium hydroxide is one of your products, you will actually have three products listed. You'll have ammonia and water. If one of your products is carbonic acid, that further decomposes into carbon dioxide and water. We said we'll just have to memorize these. Carbon dioxide is a gas and water is a liquid. So these will be your gas-producing double replacement reactions. The third type of double replacement are acid-base reactions. You will know the acid-base reaction because one of them starts with an H, it's an acid, the other has an OH as the anion. What is produced is salt and water. So, if a double replacement reaction takes place, you will either have a precipitate formed, a gas, or water. Those are double replacement subtypes. If it's not double replacement, then it's an oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reactions can be either combustion reactions, synthesis reactions, decomposition reactions, or single replacement reactions. In combustion reactions, it's always a hydrocarbon adding to oxygen, and the products are always the same: carbon dioxide and water. If it's a synthesis reaction, it's of this type. Decomposition looks like this. Single replacement is the one where you have to use the activity series to determine whether or not it takes place. These four are oxidation reduction. Let's practice. Oh, that's really dark. Let's see if we can change the background. Guess we'll just leave it like that. Okay, so the first type, magnesium plus silver nitrate. That is single replacement, and if it's not double replacement, it's redox. Oxidation reduction. Well, that's another way of saying oxidation reduction. This one would be, since you only have one product, synthesis. And if it's not double replacement, it's redox. The next one, HCl plus barium hydroxide. You have, there are a couple of clues here that is acid base. Clues are one, hydrogen hydroxide, and then your products are water and a salt. So that is a double replacement acid base. next one, ammonium chloride, sodium hydroxide. That is a double replacement that has 3 products. Remember we said that one of the reactants, ammonium and hydroxide form, when ammonium hydroxide form, it further decomposes. You don't just leave it as ammonium hydroxide, you decompose it into ammonia and water. So it looks funny, but it is a double replacement reaction, and it is gas producing. This next one is combustion of a hydrocarbon. You know that because carbon dioxide and water are produced. That's a hydrocarbon, and oxygen is one of the reactants. If it's not double replacement, then it is redox. This one, double replacement, and since this solid is produced, it's a precipitation reaction. The next one has to be double replacement. It's another one of those that has 3 different products. This one has carbonic acid forming HCO3, which further decomposes into carbon dioxide and water, and you have gases produced. So that is gas producing double replacement. This one only has one substance breaking down into 2 or more, so that is decomposition. And since it's not double replacement, it's redox. This one you have two substances adding to one, so that is synthesis. And since it's not double replacement, it's redox. This one is, you have 2 reactants and they change partners, so that is double replacement. We have to determine what kind. Since that